Welcome to this Google Classroom and Google Meet tutorial. We made this video to support you in joining and navigating our new Google Classrooms. By now you should have received an email from your teacher, including your child's Google email and password. Please do not change this password as it will cause confusion later on. The first step is to visit the Google homepage. Once on the Google homepage, up in the top right corner is where you will use your child's email and password to sign in. I'm already signed in, but this is where you will do that. Once they are signed in, you will see this icon next to their picture. Clicking on this shows you all of the apps that your child has access to. The main ones we will be using are Google Classroom, Google Meet, and some of the older students may also use Gmail and Google Drive, as well as some of the other apps on this list. When you first visit this screen, there will be two choices. If your teacher has already entered your child's email, you will see a box that looks like this with your child's classroom and simply an invitation to join. You will click Join. If you do not see this box and your teacher has provided you with a code, you will click on the plus button, enter the class code, and join. Both ways will take you into your child's classroom. Once in the classroom, the first thing you will see is the stream. The stream is a place where your teacher may post comments. For kindergarten, we have written an outline of our weekly plan. The main place where you will find your child's assignments is under classwork. Once under classwork, your child's assignments may be organized in different ways. Some teachers may organize by date, some by topic, some by curricular area, but all will include assignments for your child. In order to open an assignment, you will click on it and then click on View Assignment. Once you have read the assignment and any accompanying attachments that your teacher has asked you to look at, you can complete the assignment. When you are done, you have two options. If your teacher has asked you to add something like a picture or a document, you will do this here by clicking the Add or Create button. This gives you options on different things that you can add to the assignment under your name. Once you have completed the assignment, you will mark it as done. If you're not done, you can come in and out of this assignment as many times as you want until you are done. Once you mark it as done, when you return to the main assignment page, you will notice that the assignment is now gray. That means that you have completed that assignment and is a handy way for you to keep track of what you have left to do that week. The other place I want to show you on this page is the Google Calendar. If you click here, Google Calendar may be a place where your teacher invites you to Google Meet sessions. Google Meets are a chance for you to meet face-to-face with your friends and your teachers through video chat. Your teacher may schedule video meets through the calendar. They will ask you and give you a specific date and time of when to meet. You will simply come into the calendar, click on your meeting time, and join the meeting. This is one way that you can join a Google Meet. Another way your teacher may ask you to join is through adding a task. Under a task, they may assign a time, a date, and a link that you can click that will take you directly to the Google Meet. Google Meets cannot be joined until it's the time for that Google Meet to start. Your teacher must be there first. The third way your teacher may ask you to join a Google Meet is through email. They may send you a link in your Google email, your Gmail, that asks you to join a meet. The other thing on this page is People. It shows you the teachers that are attached to your class and that may be assigning work. The Class Drive folder is another place where that stores your work. It's a place where you can find work that you have added to assignments. That's it for now. If you have any questions and you're still confused, please don't hesitate to Contact your teacher through email, and they will be able to help you navigate through signing in and using your Google Classroom. We hope this helps. Thank you for joining me.